Hi, Dasrath here. I and my team are building this platform called ManagePlus. I would like to thank you first of all for showing your interest in joining the ManagePlus platform as a beta user. Today on this short call, I will try to walk you through the onboarding process and hopefully that will help you with the initial steps. I will also attach my calendar's link with this email so that if you have any doubts or if you have any feedbacks, you can book a meeting there and we can connect on a meeting. So let's jump into the onboarding process. First of all, you can visit the website on manageplus.io. Once you visit the website on homepage, on top right, you will see a button called create account or go to manage plus. So if I click on go to manage plus, that will bring you to the manage plus application. From there, you can click on sign up, and if you are a personal user, you can keep this personal board selected, or if you are a business user, you can use the business board. For now, let's say I want to create my personal board, so I can see that's the thing, my name, and here you can add your name and numbers, and your email id, so you can fill your own details, and you can create your password, and once you click on the sign up here, you will be onboarded on the platform. On the next step, you can add the coupon that I will be providing here. The coupon name is manage 100, so that you can use to get it for like 100% off for the next 1 year. Next, once you complete the sign up process, you will be landed on a screen like this. So if you see this, I have already created my board, and I have already connected my all social, like few of my social media accounts. So you see, I have created three boards for now. One is for my agency, that is a software development company. One is for Manage Plus platform through which we are doing the social media posting, and this is my personal profile. Others we are doing the testing as well, so that also you can create. If you want to create more boards, here is the option. So what do we mean by board? On a single board, you can onboard your team. You can start your onboarding process. You can connect all your social media accounts. So these are the social media platforms that we are support currently. You can connect your Facebook page, Google My Business, Instagram business account, LinkedIn organization, LinkedIn personal, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook groups. So all these platforms are supported. So currently, if you see here on my Manage Plus board, we have connected Facebook page, Instagram business, LinkedIn, and Twitter and YouTube profiles. So through this same thing, we are uh, posting on all these platforms. Similarly, if you are an agency, you can invite all your teammates on the board. So if you see on this particular board, we have invited these users. If you go to my personal profile, these are the users who are helping me creating my content, and on my company board, these are the different users. So basically, you can invite different teammates on different these boards. Now these are the basic analytics that we have implemented so far, like traffic sources, social media traffic. A lot of other analytics will be added moving forward, but these are the ones that we have implemented currently. Next, if you go to the Manage Plus, in the left side, you will see the content calendar section. There you can keep all the content scheduled. So if you see here, in my October month, these were the posts that we made on Manage Plus platform. So if I want to see what I published on my personal profile, these are the posts that I published on my personal profile. So the green mark posts are something that is published successfully, and this is something that we planned, but it could not go live. So it is marked as red. So this is how you can keep the content organized on these different content calendars. Let's go back to the Manage Plus profile. So this is how you can see we have added different content here. So let's see if you want to go these are the this is a poll that we published on our LinkedIn profile and on the Twitter profile. Similarly, you can add your own boards. So and when you want to create a new topic, you can just click on it. You can select the platform that you want to select. You click on next, you add the content, and in the next step, that content will be available to you. So this is how you can start using the platform. I hope you will like it, and if you have any feedbacks and suggestions, I'm always connected with you. You can share all your feedbacks directly to me. Thank you again for taking out time and showing your interest in joining this platform. Bye.